Namaste bachon. Today we are going to see part 5, lesson 5, doctori. Doctori. Okay, it is a profession. Okay, medical. The meaning of that word is medical. That is doctor profession. Okay, ma? Yes, this is a story. This story is written by Sri Ravindranath Tagore. Okay, this story is written by Ravindranath Tagore. So now let us move on to the lesson, children. Please take your reader and keep your finger so that you can follow me and underline the hard words. Okay, if you write the meanings, then when you learn the lesson, it will be easy for you. Okay, yes. विश्वंबर बाबू डॉक्टर है. Vishwambar is the name of a person who is the doctor. Okay, so to give respect, here they have given Vishwambar Babu. Okay, Vishwambar Babu doctor है. Vishwambar Babu is a doctor. सप्तग्राम के स्टेशन मास्टर मधु विश्वास का छोटा लड़का बीमार है. Saptagram, okay, is a name of a village. Saptagram is a name of a village. K station master, okay ma'am, that is one who works in the railways. Okay, who takes care of a station. So station master, it is a position. His name is Madhu Vishwas. The station master name is Madhu Vishwas. Ka chota ladka, that is his younger son. Okay ma, ladka mane boy, chota ladka mane small boy, that is his younger son. बीमार है, बीमार माने sick. Okay, विश्वंबर बाबू पालकी पर सवार होकर सप्तग्राम जा रहे हैं. Vishwambar Babu is a doctor. Okay, so he is going to give treatment for Bandhu Vishwas' younger son. Okay, so he is going to Saptagram village. He is traveling in a palanquin. Palki mane palanquin. Okay, पर सवार होकर सप्तग्राम जा रहे हैं. He is going to सप्तग्राम. पालकी के साथ उनका नौकर शंभू चल रहा है. Okay, so along with Vishwambar Babu, his servant, okay, his personal god, his name is Shambhu. Shambhu, okay, he is also going along with him to Saptagram. Okay, Vishwambar Babu is sitting in the palki and he is going towards Saptagram village along with his servant Shambhu. Okay, Shambhu काफी बलवान है. Okay, children, Shambhu is a strong man. Okay, yes. उसके हाथ में सदैव एक डंडा रहता है. So डंडा माने stick. ओके माँ, उसके हाथ में in his hand, सदैव माने always, एक डंडा, डंडा माने stick. ओके, so this Shambhu always having a stick in his hand. ओके माँ, now next line. विष्णुपुर पहुँचते पहुँचते सांझ हो आई. It means, children, as they reached Vishnupur. Okay, I told you Vishnupur is on the way of Saptagram. Okay ma'am, so Sanj mane evening, Sandhya. Okay, so as they reached to Vishnupur, it was going to get dark, that is, it was a evening time. चरवाहे जानवरों को लेकर लौटने लगे. चरवाहा माने cattleman. Okay ma, one who takes the animals to graze the grass. Okay, charvahe mane cattleman. Charvahe mane cattlemen. Okay, so they were going back to their home along with their animals. जानवरों माने animals. चरवाहे जानवरों को लेकर लौटने लगे थे. लौटने माने returning. They were returning back to their home. Okay. This cattlemen. विश्वंबर बाबू ने पूछा, क्यों बेटे, बता सकते हो सप्तग्राम कितनी दूर है? Okay. So Vishwambar Babu called a person in that group. Okay. Oh my dear boy. Okay. क्यों बेटे? बेटे माने son. Okay. So he is calling a boy. क्यों बेटे, बता सकते हो? Can you say सप्तग्राम कितनी दूर है? How far is सप्तग्राम from here? विश्वंबर बाबू asking to one cattleman. चरवाहा बोला, जी वह तो कोई 7 कोस होगा. Children, कोस is the unit of length. Okay. That is, it is approximately 2 miles. Okay, my dear, distance of 2 miles. Okay, कोस माने a unit of length. Okay, approximately it is a distance of 2 miles. Okay, so 2 miles, 7 कोस माने 7 into 2, 14 miles. Okay, this Charvaha is telling to Vishwambar Babu, sir, that is जी वह तो कोई 7 कोस होगा. It may be around 7 कोस. Okay, man, that is equivalent to 14 miles. आज रात आप वहाँ नहीं पहुँच पाएंगे. You cannot able to reach Saptagram by tonight. Okay, see, they were going in the palki. Okay, now they asked how long it is to that Charvaha, and that man is replying, it is very far away from here, around 14 miles. You cannot reach that Saptagram by tonight. That Charvaha is explaining to the Vishwambar Babu. राह में डाकुओं का पुर है. राह माने ऑन द वे. राह में डाकुओं माने रॉबर्स. ओके, मैं डॉकॉइट का पुर माने सिटी. ओके, सो ऑन द वे द डॉकॉइट्स आर देयर. दैट चरवाहा इज गिविंग ए कॉशन टू दैट विश्वंबर बाबू. ओके मा, नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज चिल्ड्रन, आई एम मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. डॉक्टर बोले, क्या करें बेटा, रोगी कष्ट में है, जाना ही होगा ही. ओके, नाउ द डॉक्टर ही इज टेलिंग टू द चरवाहा, क्यों करें बेटा, व्हाट आई कैन डू माय डियर सन. रोगी कष्ट में है. रोगी माने पेशेंट. ओके मैन, दैट हु इज सिक. सो दैट बॉय, ओके, ही इज सिक. ओके, जाना तो होगा ही. आई हैव टू गो. दैट विश्वंबर बाबू is telling to the चरवाहा. Now children, चलते चलते रात के 10 बज गए. So they were moving. Okay, my Vishwambar Babu is sitting in the palki, and Shambhu is having a stick and coming along with the doctor, and some 4 persons are have lifted that palki. Okay, 2 person in the front and 2 person at the back. They are going along with the Vishwambar Babu. Okay, now अचानक पालकी का डंडा तड़तड़ाकर टूट गया. ओके ना, सो अचानक माने सडनली. पालकी का डंडा माने स्टिक. ओके ना, द स्टिक विच दे आर यूज्ड टू लिफ्ट द पालकी. ओके, तड़तड़ाकर टूट गया. इट हैज broken down. Okay, that stick was broken and the palki zameen par aa giri. Zameen mane land. Okay ma, the palki fallen down. Now what happened? फिर तो रात वहीं काटनी पड़ गई. Okay, they cannot move from that place. Already the palki stick was broken and it was around 10 o'clock at the night time, and they can't able to move from that place. So they are forced to spend the night in that same place. ओके, डॉक्टर साहब ने घास पर कंबल बिछाया. डॉक्टर साहब मीन्स द डॉक्टर सर. ओके ना, साहब माने सर. में घास माने ग्रास. ओके, में पर कंबल माने ब्लैंकेट. ओके ना, कंबल माने blanket. Bichaya mane spread. Okay, so what the doctor did, he spread the blanket over the grass. Okay, और लेट गए mane lying down. Okay, because that was a late night. Okay, so what he did, he spread the blanket over the green grass and he was lying down. लालटेन पास ही रखी थी. लालटेन माने लैंटर्न, लैंप. ओके मैम. तभी कहारों के सरदार बुद्धू ने आकर कहा, वह देखिए कुछ लोग इधर ही आ रहे हैं. ओके, at that time what happened, कहारों माने the servants. Okay ma'am, who were there to lift that palki of Vishwambar Babu. They are 4 peoples were there. Okay, so in that one is the head. Okay, 4 peoples who are lifting that palki, they are the servants of Vishwambar Babu. Okay, in that 4, one is the head of them. Okay, so कहारों के सरदार. Okay, सरदार माने chief. Okay, head. बुद्धू, his name is बुद्धू, ने आकर कहा, he came and said. वह देखिए, please see there. कुछ लोग, okay, some peoples इधर ही आ रहे हैं. They are coming over there. निश्चय ही ये डाकू हैं. Okay, certainly they are the robbers. Okay, that Sardar Buddhu is telling to the Vishwambar Babu, Shambhu and all others were there, no? To them he is telling, oh, see there, look at there, someone is coming over here. Surely they might be the dacoits. Okay ma'am. Then विश्वम्बर बाबू ने कहा, डर काहे का, तुम सब तो ही हो. ओके, so the Vishwambar Babu is telling to them, why you got fear? Okay, Buddhu, why are you get scared? You people are here. Okay, you 4 people are here. Shambhu is there and me also is here. Then why are you get scared? Buddhu, what happened? You need not to get scared. Let them come here. Vishwambar Babu is telling to Buddhu. Okay. Now children, now Buddhu is telling, Buddhu बोला बगलू भाग गया है. In that 4, one person name is Baglu. Okay, so he ran away. Already he ran away from that place. पल्लू भी कहीं दिखाई नहीं देता. The other person name is Pallu. Okay, he is not there in that presence. Okay, we couldn't able to find him. Already Bagulu ran away and Pallu is not there. बख्शी उस जुर्मुट में छिप गया है. जुर्मुट माने bunch of trees. Okay ma, so that Buddhu is telling Bakshi is hiding himself behind the trees. Chup माने hide. Okay, और विष्णु के तो डर के मारे हाथ पांव फूल गए हैं. हाथ पांव फूल गए माने children shivering. Okay, that the last person is Vishnu. Okay, already he got shivered. Okay, his hand and legs are shivering because of the fear. Okay children, now all the 4 I will recollect. Now children, now listen to me. The 4 servants are Buddhu, Bagulu, Pallu, Bakshi and Vishnu. Okay, Buddhu is the head of the servants. Okay, so Bagulu already ran away from that place. Pallu, the next person, he is not in that presence. Okay, so next Bakshi was hiding himself behind the trees and Vishnu is shivering. Okay, he got shivered because of seeing these robbers. Okay, और कहते कहते वह भी भाग खड़ा हुआ. Now Buddhu is explaining all these things and ran away from that place. Okay children, now who else is there? Vishwambar Babu and Shambhu. Okay, the personal god of Vishwambar Babu is Shambhu, who is a very strong person. Okay ma, he is always having a stick in his hand. Now सुनते ही डॉक्टर साहब मारे डर के तर तर कांपने लगे. So listening to all these things, okay, now what this Buddhu is explaining and running off from that place, no? So on listening to all these things, Dr. Sahab also got shivered. Okay, he also is shivering with the fear. Okay, he thought what is going to happen, these robbers are coming over here like that. He saw those persons and he got shiver. Okay, chilla ute Shambhu Shambhu, chilla mane shouting. Okay ma, so he has shouted shouting. Okay, Shambhu Shambhu, like that he is calling and he is screaming. Okay, now Shambhu bola ji sahab. Okay, yes sir. Ji sahab mane yes sir. Shambhu came over there and asked the doctor, sir, yes tell me. Okay, डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा अब क्या होगा, what will happen now? Okay, because everyone had run away from that place and we both are only here. Now what is going to happen, like that Vishwambar Babu got scared. ओके, डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा अब क्या होगा. शंभू बोला डर काहे का, मैं हूं ना. ओके, नाउ द शंभू इज टेलिंग टू द डॉक्टर साहब, डॉक्टर सर, why are you got fear? Okay, why you scared of them? I'm here, no? I'm the one is here with you. Why? What happened? Okay, now the Shambhu is giving that confidence to डॉक्टर सर. डॉक्टर साहब बोले पर वे तो 5 हैं. But see there Shambhu, they are 5 peoples. We 2 only are here. ओके, शंभू बोला मैं शंभू जो हूँ. उसने उठकर छलांग भरी और गरज कर बोला खबरदार. ओके, those robbers no ma, they came over there. Okay, then the शंभू said मैं शंभू जो हूँ, I am the one शंभू. ओके, उसने उठकर छलांग भरी. उठकर छलांग भरी माने जंपिंग फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस. ओके माँ, जंप ऑफ और गरज कर बोला. ओके, हिज वॉइस इज लाइक ए रोर. ओके, गरज कर बोला खबरदार. ओके, ए beware of me. Okay, I am the Shambhu here. Okay, डाकू ठटठटाकर हंस पड़े. Okay, the dacoits know, they started laughing. वे रुके नहीं, आगे बढ़ते ही आए. They didn't stop. Okay, ma, those robbers know, they didn't stop because Shambhu is shouting at them, but still they are coming forward. Okay, Shambhu ने पालकी का टूटा हुआ डंडा लिया. That stick which they are used to lift the palaki noma, so that is danda. Okay, that Shambhu took that stick and घुमाकर डाकुओं की ओर फेंक मारा. घुमाकर माने to roll. Okay ma, so he rotate that danda and he throw over that dacoits. Okay, so what happened, निशाना ऐसा सटीक लगा. निशाना माने target or aim. Okay ma'am, so this Shambhu, he is throwing that big stick. Okay ma'am, it's like a log. He is throwing that over the robbers. Okay, so satik mane that is exact. Okay, exactly that stick is going and fall over the robbers. Okay, एक ही साथ 3 डाकू गिर पड़े. So at the same time they were 5 peoples. No, so in that 3 have fallen down because that is a big stick. It's like a log. Okay, Shambhu threw that over those robbers, and in that 3 have fell down on the land. Okay, फिर शंभू ने अपना डंडा संभाला. Then actually Shambhu is having a long stick in his hand, no, all the time it's like a latti. Okay ma'am, so he took that stick और डाकुओं पर टूट पड़ा, and then he has started fighting with the robbers. Okay, जो 2 डाकू चोट के खान से बच गए थे. So that 2 robbers, that all on the whole 5 persons were there. So the 3 already fell down on the land. Now the next 2 no, they ran away from there on seeing the Shambhu. Okay, वे सिर पर पांव रखकर भाग खड़े हुए. सो सिर पर पांव रखकर माने दे आर रनिंग वेरी फास्टली. ओके, जोर जोर से कराहने की आवाज़ें आने लगी. ओके मा, कराहना माने groan, GROAN, groan. Okay, so the 3 who were fallen down, no, they were trembling with the fear and they got wound and they were crying. Okay ma'am, तभी डॉक्टर साहब ने पुकारा शंभू. Okay, so that time the doctor sahab called Shambhu. Okay, so in that 5 robbers, 3 of them got hit. Okay, they got hurt and they were fallen down over there, and the other 2 people have run away from that place. Okay, Shambhu bola ji sahab. Now immediately Shambhu, he came over there and asked, yes sir. Okay, now आप झटपट दवाइयों का पिटारी निकालो. Now the doctor sahab is telling Shambhu, go and bring that medicine box. Okay ma'am, झटपट माने immediately, दवाइयों माने medicines, दवाइयों की पिटारी निकालो. Shambhu, go and bring that medicine box. Go immediately, run and go and bring that medicine box. The doctor is telling to Shambhu. Okay, Shambhu दवाइयों की पिटारी ले आया. Shambhu went and brought that medicine box. Okay ma'am, उस समय रात थोड़ी और रह गई थी. Okay, actually when the fight was beginning, that time itself it was around 10 o'clock. Okay, now all this was got over. Okay, now only a little time only is left. Okay, to get over of that night. विश्वंबर बाबू और शंभू दोनों ने मिलकर डाकुओं की मरहम पट्टी की. विश्वंबर बाबू and शंभू both they were giving medicines, that is tying the bandage in the hand of the robbers. Okay man, मरहम पट्टी माने bandage. Okay, now सवेरा हो गया. Okay, now it was the morning. ओके मैम, एक एक करके बगलू बख्शी सभी कहार एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़े विष्णुपुर लौट आए. ओके, so they lifted the robbers and they were holding those robbers and they came back to the own village, that is Vishnupur. Okay, सभी का दिल उस समय भी कंपा रखा था. Okay, so दिल माने mind or heart. Okay, so they already, it was the evening and they returned to Vishnupur and all of them were shivering. Kampa mane shivering. Okay, they were shivering in their heart. Okay ma'am, this story was written by Ravindranath Tagore. Okay children, here you have to understand that Vishwambar Babu is a doctor. Okay, so his dharma is to do service, because by his profession he is a doctor. He didn't see that they are the robbers, we have to give punishment, they have to suffer. Like this he didn't think. Okay, he did his justice to his profession. Okay, so that only he did the service for those robbers. Okay ma? Yes, hope you understood this story very well. Please subscribe to our channel and give your valuable comments and do like and share this video with your friends. Okay, thank you children. Dhanyavad.